Do you want to automate WhatsApp messages without paying for expensive platforms? In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect n8n to WhatsApp to build your own automated messaging system from scratch. So here's exactly what we are covering. First, we'll set up the WhatsApp node in n8n and then we'll create a Meta business account so that we can get a credential sorted. After that, we'll integrate everything and test it out with a simple chat automation that actually works. So let's dive in. So we'll start by setting up the WhatsApp node in n8n, right? Let's click on the trigger node and let's add WhatsApp Business Cloud. Click on messages, and this basically node will trigger on any new message, and we'll need to connect our credentials, right? Click on this, and you'll need to fill up the client ID and client secret, right? So where do we get this? We get this from a Meta business account, right? So head over to Meta business account. Basically the link will be business.facebook.com, right? And if you don't have a business portfolio setup, you'll need to go to business.facebook.com/settings. It should prompt you to set up a new business portfolio, just like this, right? These are the details that you'll need. Set this up, and if you have a business portfolio, switch over to that and come over to settings, right? And come to apps. So as you can see, I already have a agent setup, but I'll create one from scratch. Click on this add and click on create a new ID. Let's give a name, just one. Use cases, click on others. We're not looking for any of these use cases. Click next. Select an app type, click on business. Details, just verify the details, right? And click on create app. You'll need to add your so you'll need to add your verify your password before doing this, and this should be done. And click on WhatsApp setup over here, integrate with WhatsApp, right? Click on setup, and you'll need to come to API setup, right? So for testing purposes, Meta gives us a test number that we can use, and while integrating your actual business, you need to set up your own number. So this is good for testing purposes. We have our own number, and before that, you'll need to come to app settings, basic, and over here you will get your if I come over here, you will get your client ID and client secret, right? So this is the client ID and this is the client secret, right? So let me create another credential. Create a new credential. Client ID will be this, right? And client secret will be, click on show. This will be client secret, right? Click on save. It should be, yeah, connection tested successfully. Perfect. So we have this setup, and after this we'll just add a AI agent to converse with our WhatsApp. AI agent. For chat model, you can add anything that you want. I'll add OpenAI chat model. And memory, add a simple memory for now. Simple memory. Context window, we can increase it a bit. Basically, context window is how far back our AI remembers our chats, right? So 10 messages back, 5 messages back, whatever. And this is basically when we send a new message, to our AI, this will trigger, it will come over here, but we need another node to converse back to us. So for that we need one more node, that will be a WhatsApp Business Cloud. It will be send message. Yeah. So the thing with this is it's a bit complicated. You need to set up even extra credentials for this. So if I click on this, you need to set up your access token and your business account ID. For that, you'll need to come to over here, click on this WhatsApp drop down and click on API setup. Over here, we'll get our access token and this will be a business account ID. So copy this and come over here, business account ID, and access token will be this access token. So generate access token. We'll need to log in. Click on opt into all current and future WhatsApp accounts, so you don't need to do this again and again. Okay. Got it. So this is the access token. Copy over here and click on save. It will connection tested successfully. Perfect. And close this. So over here we have our test number, and open your WhatsApp. So I already have set up the agent with the number. So if I just confirm, it is 555 All right, so 582213. Perfect. And on this, so you need to select your number, right? And yeah, that's all. So we have click on this sender phone number. So this will be our test number provided by Meta. Select this text, and text body will be, let's for testing purposes, let's click let's enter this success message just to test out if our connection is working perfectly or not. So we have this, and let's click on activate this workflow. Perfect. And if I click on this, so these are just my previous messages that I was testing with. You can ignore this. If I click on hi, let's go to executions. Okay. Alright, so this is basically we need to edit this to get our sessions from our WhatsApp, right? So come over here, session ID will be, we'll define below. So basically our session will be our WhatsApp ID session. So this, let me explain what is happening. First of all, I'll rename this to this, and if I come over here, so basically what is happening is when we send a message, right, the ID message will fetch from over here, and that will be a session ID, not a default session ID. So that was the error, right? So let's test it out again. All right, let's say hi. Come to executions. One more. Alright, so there's one more thing that we need to fix. We'll just add a test prompt over here, right? Let's test it out for the third time. Hopefully, third time's a charm. Hi. Perfect. We got the success message. So you can see what are the some bl- uh, blockers that you can face while connecting your WhatsApp. So first is Meta Business Suite. There are 3-4 credentials that you need to set up, and even in workflow you need to set up your session ID perfectly and your prompt so that it doesn't block anything. So now that our workflow is perfectly working, let's add okay, JSON output expression. So now it will be getting our messages from here, not our default success message, right? So let's ask again. Hi. Okay, it still said success message. Okay, we didn't save. Okay, that's my bad. Perfect. So as you can see, this was a message generated by the AI. I'm ready to assist you. And yeah, that's all. So yeah, this was just a simple workflow, but going forward I'll be covering some more advanced workflows like appointment setting with WhatsApp, connecting a voice agent to WhatsApp, right? So stay tuned to those, and if you want similar systems built like this, head over to the description and book a call with me. And yeah, thanks for watching.